Lovely, guys. Oh my god.
What number that is?
Hi, Sam. We're standing on the streets of Bangkok waiting to cross. Look how excited. So cool. And now we walk. It's gonna be a few times.
Is that how high we actually are right now?
Wow.
Welcome to Central Falls.
Quiet because it's not peak season.
Buying the score is like
Go what? Binoculars.
you see people playing soccer down there. Oh wow! This is the design.